Nobo's 12 here. Today I have an SMC Fanco model KW36. 36-inch decorative functional ceiling fan. Now, it's new in box. I got it at Habitat for $15. Yeah. It was already undone, but there's a fan there, pretty sure. I got this with a Sears Lasco for $10, Talk Industrial for $10, and an SMC Emporer Flush for $15. Anyway, all the instructions in the box. J-hook mount. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Great. There better be a fan in here. Control, I believe. Down rod. I'm not gonna put this up. One second, let me pull this out. Okay, that thing is very heavy. That's at least 20 pounds. SMC. Weird. I got the brown one. Or that's the one that came. Okay. Let's get a knife or something. Or a pen. I'll be right back. Okay, there's gonna have to be a second part. I'm about to run out of memory. 3, 2, 1. Okay, continue with the unboxing. I only have 8 minutes, so let's go ahead and do this. Okay, I got the box open. Let's see what's inside. There we go. Winco. Oh. Winco. That's interesting. Oh, here's the massive motor. Very, very heavy motor. How am I gonna get that out? I don't even want to pull that out. One second. And here's the motor. I'm not gonna take it out of the bag. I don't want it to get scratched up. SMC tag anywhere? I saw one, I thought. Yeah, right there. So I saw a Winco logo on it, which is a, trying to think, it's a fan company, yeah. Well, I'll put the motor back in and make sure, you know, it's safe. Here's the top caps. Okay, let's go ahead and undo the remote. Here's the safety precautions and instructions. This is a 36-inch, by the way. Let's make a blade. This is the broken pen I used to unbox it. Here's the control. SMC control. I'll probably be using this control. Don't want it. Ceiling fan regulator. Cool. And I did find a Winco logo, so that's pretty cool. I actually took a picture of that. I think the blades go there, actually. This goes. One second, everything's back in, and now the blades. I don't know if the stencil, but let's take a look. They don't depict the stencil. I bet they have the blade brackets in here too. They better. One second. I'm just gonna set it down, not turn the pilot. Oh, it's already attached. That's cool. But sadly, they do not have stencil. They're like a really expensive pilot, though. Ooh, Okay, I'm gonna put those back in now. So, that's gonna go in the garage. Not with many other things. I will, of course, keep the box. If you don't keep the box, then that's... Where's the packing material for that load? I don't know what I'm gonna do with it now, but... 1 second. Okay, well that's the end of the unboxing. Thanks for watching. And I think this is Winco made, so... It says so. Darn it. It wasn't 5, I paid 15. Well, anyway. Thanks for watching.